In India, Rasmalai is a popular sweet found in many sweet shops and dessert stores, especially in places with rich culinary traditions like Bengal, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. Here are some famous places and stores where you can find delicious Rasmalai. Bengali Sweet Storsk. C. Das Kolkata, one of the oldest and most renowned Bengali sweet shops, famous for Rasmalai and other Bengali sweets. Balaram Mullik and Radharaman Mullik Kolkata, known for its quality sweets. They offer a variety of Rasmalai that is both soft and flavorful. Shri Bhag Kolkata, a traditional Bengali sweet shop where you can find delicious Rasmalai along with other local sweets. Haldiram Shaldiasm multiple locations. Haldiram's is one of the most popular chains in India, known for its wide variety of sweets, including Rasmalai. They have stores across many cities in India, offering freshly made sweets. Bikanervala Bikanal multiple locations. A well-known chain that serves a wide variety of Indian sweets, including Rasmalai. Their sweets are consistently good and available across various locations. Chapel Sweets Lucknow, known for its traditional sweets. Chapel Sweets in Lucknow offers excellent Rasmalai, prepared fresh and with authentic flavors. Kanwarji's Delhi, famous for its range of North Indian sweets, including Rasmalai. Kanwarji's in Delhi offers some of the best Rasmalai in the region. Shri Krishna's Sweets Chandigarh, a popular spot in Chandigarh for fresh, soft Rasmalai and other traditional sweets. It's a local favorite. Anand Sweets various locations. A famous chain in cities like Mumbai, Anand Sweets is known for its top-quality sweets, including Rasmalai. Kailash Parbat Mumbai, known for its delectable sweets. Kailash Parbat offers freshly prepared Rasmalai that's a hit among dessert lovers in Mumbai. These are just a few examples, and you can find Rasmalai in many regional sweet shops and stores across India, especially during festive seasons.
Rasmalai is a popular Indian dessert made from soft, spongy milk-based dumplings soaked in a sweet, flavored milk syrup. Here's a basic recipe for making traditional Rasmalai and some variations. Step-by-step preparation. Making chenna cottage cheese for Rasgulla. Boil 1 liter of milk in a heavy pan. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat to medium. Add lemon juice or vinegar slowly to curdle the milk. Stir gently until the milk separates into curds and whey. Turn off the heat. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or muslin cloth. You should be left with the chenna cottage cheese. Rinse the chenna with cold water to remove any traces of lemon or vinegar, making the rasgullas soft dumplings. Knead the chenna gently for about 10 minutes to make it smooth and pliable. Add a little flour or corn flour if necessary to help bind it together. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized balls about 12 to 15. Roll them between your palms to make smooth balls, ensuring there are no cracks. In a large pan, mix 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Once the syrup starts boiling, drop the chenna balls into the boiling sugar syrup. Cover the pan and cook on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing them to puff up. Remove from the syrup and set aside to cool down. Making the milk syrup ras. In another pan, boil 1 liter of full-fat milk. Once it reduces slightly, add sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron strands optional. Simmer the milk on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes to allow it to thicken slightly. Stir occasionally to avoid burning. Let the milk cool down a little before adding the cooked rasgullas into it. Assembling Rasmalai. Place the cooled rasgullas in the milk syrup. Let them soak for a few hours in the refrigerator, allowing them to absorb the flavored milk. Garnish with chopped pistachios, almonds, or cashews before serving. Types of Rasmalai variations. Saffron Rasmalai. Add saffron strands to the milk syrup to give it a rich golden color and a delicate flavor. Pistachio or almond Rasmalai. Add ground pistachios or almonds to the milk syrup to enhance the texture and taste. You can also garnish with crushed nuts. Mango Rasmalai seasonal. During mango season, blend fresh mango puree into the milk syrup to create a fruity version of Rasmalai. This adds a tropical twist to the dessert. Rose Rasmalai. Add a few drops of rose water or rose essence to the milk syrup for a fragrant and floral version of Rasmalai. Chocolate Rasmalai. For a fusion twist, add cocoa powder or melted chocolate to the milk syrup and garnish with chocolate shavings. Each variation enhances the flavor and gives the dessert a unique touch, making it suitable for different tastes and occasions.
Making Rasmalai at home can be a delightful experience. Here are some tips to help you achieve the perfect Rasmalai. Make soft and fresh chenna cottage cheese. Use full-fat milk to make the chenna for Rasmalai. The quality of the chenna directly impacts the texture of the Rasmalai. Don't overcook or undercook the chenna. The consistency should be soft, moist, and crumbly. After curdling the milk with lemon juice or vinegar, make sure to drain the whey properly to retain the moisture in the chenna. Shape the Rasmalai. Well, while forming the chenna into small discs, ensure that they are uniform in size so they cook evenly. Keep the discs slightly thick, as they will expand during cooking in the milk syrup. Cook the chenna in light syrup. Boil water and sugar to make a light syrup, not too thick. This helps the chenna discs absorb some of the syrup without becoming too sweet. The syrup should be just enough to submerge the discs, and they should cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Avoid boiling on high heat, as it can make the chenna hard. Prepare the milk ras well. Boil full-fat milk and reduce it to a thick consistency rabri. Add cardamom powder and saffron to enhance the flavor. For added richness, you can mix a little condensed milk or add some crushed almonds, pistachios, and saffron strands into the milk. Chill before serving. Once the Rasmalai is assembled, let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours. Chilling helps the Rasmalai absorb the milk and flavors better. Garnish. Garnish with slivers of pistachios, almonds, or saffron strands for a decorative and flavorful touch.